Hey y'all, so today I'm making the easiest appetizer you've probably ever made. So easy, you just throw a bunch of stuff into a crock pot and you just kind of let it go. So I've got a can of cranberry jelly and I've got 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar that I am adding. If I can break it up. Let me just use the handle. There we go. And break up that brown sugar. And then we are adding 1.5 cups of sweet chili sauce. I'm using the Panda Express brand. So that's 1 cup. And 1/2. This is such an easy appetizer to make, and it kind of goes with so many things. You can put this in a sandwich, you can put this on top of mashed potatoes or noodles. It's just all around used as an appetizer or as the protein in a dinner recipe. So once you have all this mixed together, I'm gonna add one more thing, and that is a rinsed and drained can. So you have to get it out. I put it back in the jar just because, you know, for the video, but go ahead and get out your sauerkraut, rinse it, drain it. That's 12 ounces. So you can get either the jarred kind or the canned. And mix all of that together. Oh, it smells so good. I just love cranberry sauce. So this is going to get mixed up some more, get that cranberry sauce really kind of mixed together with the sauerkraut. And then our main ingredient are these frozen meatballs. Just throw the whole bag in, frozen, you don't need to defrost them. And then you're just gonna give everything a really good coat. Are you guys watching any football games this weekend? Is there like a team that you're rooting for? Let me know in the comments. I wanna see, you know, if we have a big divide or if everybody likes one team over another. So once you have everything mixed together and all those meatballs have that sauce coated all over, you are going to just put the lid on it. And this is going to go on low for 4 hours. Ooh, that looks amazing. I'm gonna give this a quick stir, make sure that everything gets really well combined. Oh, this looks amazing. Okay, now that that is all combined, let me get a bowl, do a little taste test. Oof. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm gonna just salivating, just smelling this like through the kitchen. It's hot though, so you have to be careful as always. Oh wow. That is so good, guys. I'm gonna have this with some rice, but you can like totally put these in a hoagie or just serve them as an appetizer with like little toothpicks in them for the big game this weekend. I think you should make this. It's really, really good.